What's in the bowl?
Flour, hot water, and salt.
Okay, and what are you doing?
Stirring it.
Okay. Tell me about your dough, boys.
It's disgusting.
In what way?
It smells bad.
Stir it all up.
The dough smells go into salt dough, and then we can put it on a plastic water bottle to make it look like a volcano. And then we put baking soda and something else. And vinegar. And then it poured out. It smells like cookie dough.
Smells like Tell me what it feels like.
It feels like, gooey. Like a little, slimy too.
Gooey and slimy
Yeah. And sticky.
and sticky. What does it feel like?
It feels like slime. Yeah. Should I take this one out?
You can. Is it soft?
Yeah. Really soft.
How does it smell?
Smells like bread.
Smells like bread because it has flour and it has water and it has salt.
But when I was mixing it, it smelled like oatmeal.
Smells like oatmeal.
When I was mixing
Brandon, you're getting right in there, right? What does it feel like?
feels like black. That's feels like dried up. Based on how dried up with flavor.
Okay, start shaping it around your bottle, boys.
We need to get the rest of the crumbs. Mine's not ready. We need to get the rest of the crumbs.
Okay.
If Mom knows what I'm doing this, she's gonna be mad. Because she doesn't. Hey, make sure to look at me too.
Oh, you're gonna be okay.
Hi.
Wash your hands afterwards.
Okay.
Hey, Charles. Look at these girls go. Ariana.
It's odd. Is there anything in here? There's nothing. No, it's just our. Make it smells just like. Alright, we have to pick this up. These are the same ingredients. We don't have to pick it up. We have to come and show. Yeah, push it down. Yeah. Right. Dun, 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 dun. We got it. I called the
First step was what? See the water in the one measuring cup? Can you put it probably 2/3 of the way?
Whoa, that's good. Good. I don't know what 2/3 is.
Okay.
You don't know what that is. Good.
That's good. That's good.
Yep. Now get the food coloring and add about 6 drops of food coloring.
4. I know. Bobby 4. 1.5.
Look at the drops.
A million drops in.
Okay.
7. They did 7.
Now you're going to add a little bit of dish soap.
6 drops. 2 drops.
Okay. Now we need some baking soda. 2 tablespoons full.
Just like there's the
Where's the vinegar?
Yeah, do the whole entire thing. Do the whole entire Still more red. We need less dish soap. We need less dish soap. That's not like dish soap. We need like one drop. Less dish soap.
Announcing group number 3 and their volcano project.
Hello, we are group number 3, and we would like to show you our volcano. That we will make right now. Wait, we already have the volcano. Wait, we just need to make it a rock. Right now.
Okay, so what's your first step, boys?
Our first step is now we put the double cup. To the cup! This is the water right here.
The water's right there.
Yeah, let's see the water. Put the water.
Okay, boys, mix that.
Yeah, putting the water. New spot. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. No, that's not yeah, that's probably good. Okay, now we will put in red food coloring. Charles, put in. Can I put in 10 drops. 10 drops, but don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Don't put in as much. Do 15 drops.
That's it.
Don't put in as much dish soap.
That's enough.
Don't put in as much dish soap. It'll make
Okay, so they've added their food coloring, they've added water. The next step,
Charles, not a lot.
the next step
Only
is
like
to
2 drops. 2 drops.
add some dish soap.
Well, what happens if we put to a dish right here? Just flip it over. What happens if we put it to a dish? Can I do it? That's it. 4. Can I do the next thing? Now, we'll just add the baking soda. 2 tablespoons. This is actually new spot, but now it's live from a breaking news. Now it's live from a breaking news. The internet has crashed into us. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's Coca-Cola right there.
Presenting group number 1's volcano experiment. First step is what? Pour some water into your volcano. Step 2, you have to add your food coloring.
Baking soda. Good, Xavier. Good. You're good. I think we need to mix it more. I think now we need the dish soap. Like 3 drops. No, 1 million. 10. No, we had to do 10. Good, Grace it good. Do 11. Now we need the baking soda.
2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Guys, there's 5 steps. So we'll do 1, and then I will do the extra because I'm the measurement. It makes sense. I can't wait to see.
Okay, let's position. Hang on.
No, let's make some noise. Let's make a noise. Let's go. Yeah. That's a whole lot. It's going on the sticky note. Wait, what? How do we touch it? There's more in there. How do we touch it?
Don't touch it.
It's complex. We're not finished.
Group 4, show us your volcano.
Wait, what goes first? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Wait, what goes first? Water. That put 36 drops in that. Yeah. 36 drops. The bulking's so tough. 2 spoons. Where's the last spoon? That's not a spoon. Oh no. That's a cup. Okay, that's. Nope, that's a cup.
And now,
The vinegar. Oh my god! I want to touch it. I want to touch it. I want to touch it. It smells like Roman noodles.
introducing group number 2 and their volcano.
Breaking news.
First, they're adding the water.
Near the Twin Towers. The Twin Towers get down.
Will we die? Will we survive?
Dude, 26 stars. Dude, 26 stars. Stop. How does it look? He still looks. No.
Next, they're
One drop of dish.
next they're adding the dish soap.
Add 1 drop. That's good. Okay, that's good. That was like 7. Okay.
We need 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
hot in there. Do 3. That's cool. 2. Do another miniature. Time to rub. Let's go, everyone. Shadow. Yeah, not you. I'm looking at it. What is it smelling? I can't see. Duh. It smells good. It smells like. It smells like.